In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Audacity for Windows 11 step by step so you can get it installed quickly and safely on your computer. Audacity is one of the most popular free audio editing tools, and if you want to record voice, edit audio, or start working on podcasts and projects, this is a great place to begin. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to audacityteam.org. That is the official Audacity website, and using the official source is always the safest way to download software on Windows 11. Once the website loads, look for the Download Audacity without Muse Hub link. Click that button to get the standalone installer. This is the option most people want because it lets you install Audacity directly without adding extra software you may not need. After the download starts, wait for the file to finish downloading, then open your Downloads folder and find the .exe file. Double-click the file to launch the installer. If Windows shows a user account control prompt, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your device. This is a normal security step in Windows 11, so don't worry when it appears. Now the Audacity setup wizard will open. Follow the on-screen prompts by clicking Next as you move through the installer. If you see any license or setup options, just review them and continue. When you reach the installation step, click Install and let Windows complete the setup process. Depending on your system, this may take a few moments, so give it a little time to finish properly. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. If allowed, this will automatically open Audacity for you right away. And that's it. Audacity is now downloaded and installed on your Windows 11 computer. You're ready to start recording, editing, and working with audio. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one.